how to open Snap in laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to open Snap in laptop. In order to open Snap in laptop, first of all you'll have to make sure you're logged in. For that, open up a browser, type in web.snapchat.com and entering your credential, log in into your account. In my case, I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page that's going to look something like this. So right on page, you'll be able to send messages, you'll be able to make call, you'll be able to send voice notes and all sort of things, but unfortunately not be able to open Snap. So you can open up a chat page, but you'll not be able to open up a Snap. Let me show you just by tapping on this particular one. So if I open up the chat page, and in the other side you'll be able to see the chat history. So if here you can see there's a new Snap. So if I try to open it up, it's not going to open. So here as well there's a statement stating that open the mobile app to view this. So in order to open the Snap in web browser, you'll have to download an app, or you'll have to use an emulator. You can use BlueStack for that case, or else you can just go ahead and tap the click to install the desktop app button, install the application, and after that be login into your account, and then you'll be able to see the Snap on Snapchat web. So in this way you can see Snap on laptop. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.